Hello everyone, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Ada. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to hide likes on your Instagram posts, okay? Take for instance, you have Instagram posts or videos on Instagram and you choose to hide the likes on the post or picture, or you choose to hide the likes and view counts on a video or videos you have on Instagram. So if that sounds like what you're interested in, continue watching. Before you can be able to do that, make sure you have updated your Instagram app, okay? The first thing you're going to do is to go to the Instagram app, then you tap on it. So once it opens, you go down here, you tap on it. So once you tap on your logo, on your page logo, okay, you look for the posts you want to hide likes. Take for instance, I want to hide the likes of those posts. What I'm going to do is to tap on it. As you guys can see, liked by these and 4 others. So we are going to hide these 4 others, okay? We are going to hide the likes. So once I hide the likes, you're not going to see 4 here, okay? So let's do that. You go to these 3 dotted lines of the post, you tap on it. Once you tap on it, you're going to see hide like count. You tap on it. So once that is done, as you guys can see, like count hidden. Okay, so the likes have been hidden, and as you guys can see, there is no 4 others here. This is how to hide likes on your Instagram post. So let's go to a video. Let's look for a video and hide the likes and view count. Okay, I have a video here. We are going to apply the same process. Just go to the 3 dotted lines, you tap on it. So once it's a video, you're going to see hide likes and view count, okay? You tap on it. Likes and view count hidden. So as you guys can see, there is no view count here and there is no digit here. So this is how you can be able to hide likes and view counts on Instagram. I don't think it's applicable to Reels, okay? I don't think it's applicable to Reels now, okay? It's only applicable to videos, okay, video posts and photos on Instagram. So guys, this is how you can be able to hide likes or view counts on your Instagram posts. Hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.